Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recolor elements on Canva. So select elements here and go to graphics. Most of them you can recolor it, but some of them you can't. So I'm just going to see if I can recolor this here. So as you can see, I can recolor this. So I'm just going to select color and I'm just going to select pink, for instance. And this one, I think you can actually recolor a lot of them. For instance, I want this to be pink. I can change it to that. And like I want the sun part to be a different color. Just select that color and then change it to the thing you want it to be. So again, press it and then choose a different color for it. And then again on this one, I'm just going to select it. Then I'm going to select a different color so you guys can see that I changed the color of the elements on Canva. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!